Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe below and like and comment. Hey y'all, so I just received my iPhone 11 Pro and it's gold with 3 cameras and the gigabytes is 256, which is the most I've ever had, and I'm excited because I need all that storage, you know. So, yep, about to go ahead and open it. Oh, pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, y'all. Do y'all know that I am transforming? Well, not transforming, but the transition is from a 6S to a 11 Pro, okay? Oh, I just threw all that out. Comes with the charger adapter, the charger, and it also comes with Apple stickers and earphones with the new insert with the cord, and it's so nice, y'all. Like, and some extra information. But yes, I'm about to get ready to take this phone to AT&T so they can activate it. And yes, this is just fly, okay? See, I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, yeah. I'm waiting for my case to come. Oh, it's giving that old style. Okay. Okay. It's giving that old style. Okay, okay, it turned on. About to get ready to take this to AT&T. And it's thick. Well, not thick like, it just reminds me of my iPod Touch back in the day. I like how the edges are gold. It's on, and it just looks so nice, okay? Like, you pull that down from the corner, and then you can swipe up and see apps, and it's pretty cool. I like the frosty, the defrost look. This is my case. As y'all can see, I got it off of Amazon. This was like the only girliest case, but as you can see, the triple lens, triple camera. The battery is really good. Like, I tried not to keep the battery charging overnight on this phone, but as you know, like they say the newer iPhones, the battery can charge overnight and it will stop it from charging once it's full battery and it has 100%. So yeah, the battery lasts long. I don't know, I just keep it on battery mode because that's just a habit. Video recording is good. The stability of it is really good. It's just different ways, you know, of doing things. But yeah, like when you take a picture, the quality is like more wider screen. You have the 2x zoom in, you have 1x, then you have 0.05 where you just see. So let me do it right here. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. You must like what you see. You must like what you see. A. You must like what you see. Turn it back, turn it back. So yeah, anyways, yeah, that's the cool little thing that I'll be playing around with, you know, every now and then. So yeah, if y'all like this phone, you already know, go cop it. It's a good investment, and I'm just gonna keep this phone until it just don't work anymore, I guess. I don't know, but if y'all love this phone, y'all can go get it. You know, the review is cool, and remember, the battery's great. The stability of the camera when you record is great. And yeah, so if you like this video, go ahead and comment down below, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos, and please subscribe and follow me on Instagram, leah.perry, and Snapchat, lover and friend.